In preparation for our meetup with Elsie this winter, I keep showing Flounder videos of Elsie. Every time I show her this specific video where Mary Robinette calls Flounder a cat, she swipes at this very moment every time. We can't get past this part of the video.
Yeah, Flounder word is cat.
Are you cat?
Yeah.
Nope. Okay. Okay, Flounder. About 2 hours after this happened, Flounder said this.
Flounder.
What about Flounder? Hmm? Mama?
Fish.
Yeah, Flounder is a fish. Yep. Flounder is a fish.